Well, shares of some of those regional banks have been on quite a run this year, but after some questionable earnings today, what is the state of the sector? Dominic Chu takes a look now.
Banks come in all shapes and sizes. You've got the Wall Street investment banks like Goldman Sachs or Morgan Stanley. Then you've got the big money center banks that have all kinds of operations, from investment banking all the way to traditional lending. And then there's the regional banks, smaller firms that tend to lend mostly to small and medium-sized businesses as well as home buyers. Those who are more optimistic about economic growth and a stronger consumer often invest in these types of banks.
The right approach, I think, would maybe be for a diversified investor to have exposure to each, and that way they're covered on the micro level as well as the macro level.
Larger regional bank players like Pittsburgh-based PNC Financial and Atlanta-based SunTrust Banks have both posted gains better than the overall sector. At the same time, Cincinnati-based Fifth Third Bank and Salt Lake City-based Zions Bank have lagged. One of the reasons for the gap is the uneven nature of the economic recovery. That's why many advocate taking a more diversified approach and investing across the entire spectrum of financials, because overall, the sector could be a good value for investors.
We think the health of the financial services sector is going to be an integral part of a continued rally in the stock market. Financial firms provide the liquidity and the grease and oil of keeping the economy going and growing. And so, financials have underperformed the broader market. They've improved a little bit this year, but that means they're a little bit more of a better value proposition for investors going forward.
Financial stocks have lagged the overall market since the depths of the financial crisis. But if the economy does manage to get better, these types of stocks may be the ones that benefit more than other stocks in the market. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Dominic Chu.